Tres Leches Cake. Ingredients: Nonstick cooking spray, for the cake pan. 1½ cups all-purpose flour, plus more for dusting the cake pan. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 4 large eggs, separated. 1½ cups sugar. ½ cup whole milk. 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk. 1 12-ounce can evaporated milk. 2 cups heavy cream, divided. 3 tablespoons orange liqueur, recommended, Grand Marnier. 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon. Directions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray and flour a 10-inch cake pan with 2-inch high sides and then line with parchment paper. Grease the parchment paper. Mix the flour and baking powder in a medium bowl. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, using an electric mixer with a whisk attachment, whip the egg whites until frothy. With the mixer running, gradually add the sugar and beat to stiff peaks. Beat in the yolks, one at a time, blending well after each addition. Add the flour mixture in 3 additions, alternating with the whole milk in 2 additions. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake until a tester inserted into the center comes out clean, about 30 minutes. Cool the cake slightly, about 10 minutes, then invert onto a platter with 1-inch high sides. Pierce the top of the cake all over with a thick skewer. Mix the sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, 1 cup heavy cream and orange liqueur in a medium bowl. Pour the mixture over the cake while warm. Cover and refrigerate until cold, about 3 hours or overnight. Combine the remaining 1 cup heavy cream and powdered sugar in a medium bowl. Using an electric mixer, beat the cream until soft peaks form. Spread the whipped cream onto top of the cake and sprinkle with the ground cinnamon.